Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve some GATE example question for 2020-22. So today serial wise question number 3, and it's a question from linear algebra. The value of q for which the following set of linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, 6x plus 9y is equal to 0 can have non-trivial solution. 4 options are given. So we know for non-trivial solution, mod of a is equal to 0, where when non-zero solution is occurred. Non-zero solution occurred. So non-zero. So therefore determinant A is equal to 2, 3, 6q. Let's plot the determinant, that is equal to 0. So 2q minus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore q is equal to 9. So we reached. It is our required solution, and our right option is option C is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 3. Now moving to question 4. So question 4 tells us that a system of equation represented by Ax is equal to 0, where x is a column vector of unknown and A is a square matrix containing coefficient has a non-trivial solution when A is 4 options are given. So this is the question of linear algebra, and it comes in GATE 2003. So just we know here given that is Ax is equal to 0. Given Ax is equal to 0. Given Ax is equal to 0, therefore it is a homogeneous system. So it is homogeneous system. So now we may say it is non-trivial system, non-trivial solution it occurred. So it is non-trivial solution. It have non-trivial solution. Therefore determinant of A is equal to 0, and we may say A is singular. A is singular. So option so we reached. It is our required solution, and our right option is option B is our correct choice. So this is the solution of question 4. Now moving to question 5. So question 5 tells us consider the matrix A is equal to k square minus k square, and a vector is given here, that is x is equal to x1 x2. The number of distinct real value of k for which the equation x is equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. So now solve this. Determinant of A is equal to, we write, that is k square minus k twice k square. So infinite, look at the statement of the question, infinite many solution. So if it is infinite many solution, so therefore if infinite many solution, what is the meaning of this? Infinite many solution means Ax is equal to 0, as because it is a homogeneous system. Okay. Now if it is homogeneous system, then A not is equal to 0. A is non-trivial. So A is non-trivial. So if infinite many solution, that means A is non-trivial. A not equal to 0 and A is not non-trivial. So this must be 0. So now we may just broke the determinant, so that is equal to k cube minus twice k cube minus 2k square, that is equal to 0, implies minus k cube plus twice k square, that is equal to 0. So that implies minus k square by k minus 2 is equal to 0, implies k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 2. These are the two solutions. But only this value responsible for the non-trivial solutions. If a not equal to 0, a not equals not a, if a is non-trivial, then this value is rejected, and only k is equal to 2 is responsible for non-trivial solution. So infinite many solution occurred in is number 1 solution. So therefore solution is, number of solution is 1. This is our required answer. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.